Hello everyone. Welcome to H Learning Academy. Today topic is how to create new Microsoft account or Hotmail. If you're making the move from OS X to Windows, one of the first things you're going to need to do is create a Microsoft account. While many people still use Hotmail email addresses, it's no longer possible to create new Hotmail accounts. However, a Microsoft Outlook account provides the same general experience and email services that made Hotmail a popular choice. This WikiHow teaches you how to set up a Microsoft Outlook email account. Let's start. Now. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Outlook website. Go to https://www.outlook.com/ in your web browser. Step 2. Click Create Free Account. Step 3. Create an email address. If that email address already used someone, you try another address. After the complete create email address. Step 4. Create password and click Next. Step 5. Input the first name and last name and click Next. Step 6. Select out country and birthday date. And next. Step 7. Input the right captcha and next. And wait some seconds. And then now ready to your Hotmail or Microsoft account. Thanks you for watching this full video.